Hi, my name is Kelly Harris. I go by the pronouns of she and her, and I work for an organisation called Brook, who are a sexual health, wellbeing and relationships charity. And alongside doing that, I volunteer as a youth work quality mark assessor, and I've been doing it now for just coming up to 2 years, and I really love being involved and getting to see all of the different youth provisions across Wales. So when we go out and kind of look at youth services and youth provisions and do our inspections, ultimately it's just about going in and seeing the standard of their youth work that they're providing for young people in their local area, their patch, their local communities. And as assessors, what we're looking for, depending on the level, if it's a bronze, a silver or a gold, we're looking at 4 general areas. And one of those is around how that youth provision or youth service involves young people in its service. And also then we look at how it links to the curriculum. We also look at equality and diversity, and we also look at the workforce development as well. So there are different areas that we're focusing on to make sure then that that youth provision meets those different criterias.